Welcome to this comprehensive review of the Houston Hair Transplant Center, where I will take you through everything you need to know before considering them for your alopecia treatment. This clinic has gained a reputation for providing top-notch hair restoration services in Houston, Texas. From the moment you visit their website, you're greeted with an informative and professional appearance, offering insight into various treatments for hair loss. I'll walk you through their procedures, customer service, and what sets them apart from other options in the market. If you're considering hair transplant surgery, the Houston Hair Transplant Center offers an array of techniques, including follicular unit extraction, FUE, and follicular unit transplantation, FUT. These are advanced methods known for providing natural-looking results and minimal scarring. But how does the experience hold up from a user's perspective? While the website is clean and easy to navigate, offering details on the procedures, I had mixed feelings about the consultation process. The initial response time was quick, but during the follow-up, I felt like there could have been more personalized care. However, once I visited the clinic in person, I was met with a professional team who walked me through the entire process step by step. They took the time to explain what I could expect and made me feel comfortable about my decision to proceed. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about the results. While it's too early for me to comment on my own, from speaking with patients who've undergone treatment at the Houston Hair Transplant Center, the results seem promising. Many patients report noticeable improvements in hair density within a few months, and the majority are satisfied with the aesthetic outcomes. The center also offers a comprehensive post-operative care plan to ensure optimal healing and results. On the downside, like many high-end hair restoration clinics, the cost can be quite steep. Treatments aren't always affordable for everyone, which is something to consider if you're on a budget. Additionally, some patients report a slight discomfort during the recovery phase, but this is fairly common with hair transplant procedures. Overall, if you're looking for a professional clinic with a variety of proven treatments for alopecia, the Houston Hair Transplant Center might be a good choice. It's not the most budget-friendly option, but if you're looking for top-tier results, it's worth considering. Remember, the best treatment is the one that fits your needs and your budget. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.